Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. We are almost in the same situation since I have posted my last video. Like previously, we have seen that the price line was moving in the falling wedge, and this was on the daily time frame chart, and this falling wedge was on the 4-hourly time frame. At that time, we were watching that the price line was just getting bounced by the support of the falling wedge on the 4-hourly chart. Now I'm just going to play the chart, and we can see that the price action reached the resistance and now it is moving towards the downside. And if I play this chart, this daily time frame falling wedge, then we can see that we were at the support of this very strong support zone that starts from $31,000 to $28,800. And now after playing the chart, we can see that the price action is bounced by this support after testing this support, and again it is reached the resistance of the falling wedge that has been formed on the daily time frame chart. Now let's take a look at the live daily time frame chart. And before starting the analysis, I would like to request you, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, you will find here, then I have also shared the link in the video description to join me there. You can find there. Okay, this is let me show you first this chart, and this is the 4-hourly time frame chart. In here we can see that the price line has formed this falling wedge on the 4-hourly chart, and now recently it has a rejection by this resistance of the falling wedge here, and it is likely to move to the downside. For example, if the price action will again test the support of this falling wedge, then we can move down approximately at $30,700. But if I switch to the hourly chart, in here we can see that we have found a very obvious uptrend line support, and the price line is, you can see, you can watch here, the price line is getting bounced by this support again and again. Whenever the price line is reaching at this support, it is getting bounced towards the upside. And one more thing, that if I place this trend line again, then we can see that we also had a resistance line on this hourly chart, and this was a symmetrical triangle on the hourly time frame chart, and the price action broke out the resistance of the symmetrical triangle here. And after being rejected by this rejection line, this resistance line of this falling wedge on the 4-hourly chart, the price action is now retesting the previous support of the symmetrical triangle that has been formed on the very small time frame hourly time frame chart. Now if we move back to the daily time frame, then here we can see that the price action, let me just show you this chart again that I published on 16th of July, and we can see that at that time the price line was testing this support that is a very strong support zone from $31,000 to $28,800, and so far we are not having any closing even on the daily time frame chart below this support zone. Now after testing this support zone, we can see the price line is reached the resistance, and from here it is likely to be rejected again. And while moving here at this resistance, a dodgy dragonfly candlestick has been appeared. That is a trend reversal candlestick, and we can see that we are in a proper downtrend. And while moving towards the downside in a proper downtrend, if a dodgy dragonfly candlestick is appeared, that is a trend reversal signal. First dodgy dragonfly candlestick was appeared here, this green one, and then again this dodgy dragonfly candlestick has been appeared here. So at this time, if we take a look at the time period of this candlestick, we can see that we have 10 hours left in ending of this candlestick. Therefore it is possible that the candlestick will be changed. If there will be more buying or more selling, then the shape of this candlestick can be changed. So far it is a dodgy dragonfly candlestick, and we are in a proper downtrend, and it has been appeared at the bottom at the very strong support of this $31,000 to $28,000. And this is a trend reversal signal on the daily time frame chart. First, we had this candlestick appeared here, and now this is the second candlestick has been appeared. So it is possible that if we are having a trend reversal candlestick appeared at the bottom of this downtrend, and we are at this very strong support zone as well, then from here the price action may break out this resistance of the falling wedge. And after breaking out the resistance of the falling wedge, our next target can be the tail of this falling wedge, that is approximately at $41,000. And here I would like to show you a few more things I have placed here: the MACD and the stochastic oscillator. We can see that the stochastic and MACD are very much synchronized with the price line while it is moving in this falling wedge. Whenever the stochastic is entering in the oversold zone and the MACD is turning bullish, we are having the nice rallies towards the upside. Like here, it was for a while outside this support of the falling wedge, and the MACD started turning bullish, and here we had this stochastic in the oversold zone. And when we received the signal by the MACD, it was weak bullish and turned strong bullish here. Then we had a nice rally towards the upside to this resistance of the falling wedge. And here again, the price action moved at this support, and the stochastic entered the oversold zone, and the MACD was very strong bearish, and it turned weak bearish from here. That was a bullish signal, and we can see that we had a very nice rally towards the upside again. And now this time, if we see for the past several days, the price action is moving at the resistance, and we had so many attempts for the breakout of this resistance, but so far the price line is not able to break out this resistance. At the same time, the stochastic has entered the oversold zone. This time we have a different situation. We are not having the candlesticks at the support, and the stochastic has entered the oversold zone. We are having this time the situation that the candlesticks are still at the resistance, and the stochastic has entered in the oversold zone. And now I would like to show you this MACD indicator. We can see that the MACD has started turning bullish, and previously we have seen whenever the MACD started turning bullish after the stochastic was entered the oversold zone, we had a very nice rallies towards the upside, at least up to the resistance of the falling wedge. Now this time the candlesticks are already at the resistance of the falling wedge. Therefore we can expect a breakout from the resistance of the falling wedge this time, because the candlesticks are already at the resistance. We have received these two bullish signals, and you can see that this blue line of the stochastic has crossed up this red line. That is the buying signal of the stochastic as well. So we have received the buying signal by the stochastic and the bullish signal by the MACD as well. But still there are 10 hours remaining in ending of this candlestick. So the situation can be changed. However, we need to watch the closing. If the day will be closed, and we will still have these bullish signals by the MACD indicator and the stochastic, like the MACD is turning bullish, and even after the closing it will be still weak bearish, like it is turning here, and we will be still receiving this bull cross by the stochastic as well. Then I think in my point of view, I think we are going to break out the resistance of this falling wedge on the daily time frame. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.